More than 90% of businesses around the world are small, yet most people still think you need big money or a big space to start. What if a single compact machine, small enough to fit on a desk, could turn damaged everyday items into something that looks factory new in minutes? No noise, no stress, just steady demand and simple steps. In this video, I will tell you 14 future-proof mini machines for 2026 that you can run from a tiny room with real profit potential. If you want the exact machine links and setup details for any of these, comment, send me links, and I will share them with you. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 1. Screen glass repair machine. Think about how often people drop their phones. Almost every time, the glass cracks, but the display underneath still works perfectly. That small detail is what makes a screen glass repair machine such a smart business idea. This machine gently heats the adhesive under the broken glass so it lifts off cleanly, almost like peeling a sticker. Then it presses a fresh sheet of glass on top and cures it with UV light, leaving a smooth factory-level finish that surprises customers every time. A reliable unit usually costs $400 to $700, depending on heating accuracy and suction strength. Your supplies stay simple: OCA film, replacement glass, wipes, and a small UV lamp. The workflow is calm and predictable. Heat, lift, clean, laminate, cure. No fumes, no noise, no stress. With steady demand from students, workers, and families, this machine turns a small corner of a room into consistent income. Number 2. CO2 laser engraver. There is something satisfying about watching a laser carve clean designs into wood or acrylic. A CO2 laser engraver takes that feeling and turns it into a flexible home business. This single machine creates custom gifts, signs, tags, menus, and branded items people already buy every day. You load a design, place the material, and press start. The laser does the rest with quiet, precise movement. Materials are easy to manage: wood blanks, acrylic sheets, MDF, leather strips, and transfer tape. A dependable desktop engraver usually costs $600 to $1,200, depending on wattage and bed size. The real strength of this machine is freedom. If one product slows down, you switch to another without changing equipment. Gift buyers, cafes, schools, event planners, and small brands keep demand steady all year, making this a reliable and creative setup. Number 3. Headlight restoration machine. Foggy headlights make a car look old and reduce nighttime visibility. Most drivers think replacement is the only option. A headlight restoration machine proves otherwise. It uses heated vapor to remelt the outer plastic layer, restoring clarity in minutes. After light sanding and cleaning, the vapor passes over the surface and the haze disappears almost instantly. Supplies stay simple: sandpaper pads, cleaning wipes, polishing compound, and vapor solution. Most machines cost $80 to $200, making this one of the lowest entry automotive services. The workflow is quick: sand, wipe, vapor, shine. No heavy tools and no headlight removal. Every driver is a potential customer, especially people selling a car or struggling with night driving. The instant visual transformation builds trust and makes this service easy to sell. Before number 4, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. Our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers, and your support helps this channel grow and bring you more real opportunities. Number 4. Coffee roaster machine. Fresh coffee has a smell people never forget. A coffee roaster machine lets you create that experience in small batches from home. The machine gently tumbles green beans while heat develops flavor, and you control every step. Light roasts, medium blends, dark profiles, even experimental flavors. Customers notice the difference immediately, because big brands cannot match that freshness. Most compact roasters cost between $500 to $900, depending on capacity and temperature control. Supplies are straightforward: raw green beans, bags, labels, and a cooling tray. The workflow feels relaxed: measure, roast, cool, pack. Once you learn the roast profiles, it becomes second nature. Offices, gyms, barbershops, neighbors, and market shoppers all buy coffee regularly. Because people drink it daily, demand stays consistent, turning this small machine into a steady, repeat customer business. Number 5. Tire vulcanizing machine. Tire problems always happen at the worst time. A small nail, a slow leak, or a minor cut can ruin someone's day. Most drivers do not want to buy a new tire when the damage is actually small. That is where a tire vulcanizing machine becomes a reliable business tool. This machine uses controlled heat and pressure to fuse fresh rubber into the damaged area, creating a repair strong enough for daily driving. The setup is simple: rubber patches, vulcanizing cement, a cleaning wheel, and chalk for marking the spot. Compact machines usually cost $180 to $300, making them affordable for a garage or small workspace. The workflow stays predictable. Clean the area, apply the patch, clamp, heat, and cure. Demand never slows down. Daily drivers, delivery riders, taxis, and local mechanics constantly need tire repairs, turning this quiet machine into steady local income. Number 6. Lip balm filling machine. Lip balm looks simple until you try filling tubes by hand. Wax cools too fast, tubes overflow, and the finish never looks clean. A lip balm filling machine fixes all of that in one smooth process. It melts your wax blend evenly, holds the temperature steady, and fills each tube with a clean, air-free flow that looks professional every time. Your ingredients stay basic: wax base, oils, fragrance, empty tubes, and labels. Once melted, the machine dispenses the mixture without spills or mess. Most tabletop fillers cost between $300 to $600, depending on tank size and nozzle setup. The workflow feels calm: heat, mix, fill, cool, cap. Demand comes from beauty lovers, boutique shops, market sellers, and people who prefer natural products. You can easily switch flavors or seasonal batches, making this a flexible and repeatable home business. Number 7. Cap heat press. Caps never go out of style. Schools, gyms, sports teams, delivery crews, and small brands all use them. A cap heat press turns that everyday demand into a fast home business. The curved heating plate presses designs evenly onto the cap, so nothing wrinkles or shifts. You place the cap, align the artwork, lock the press, and let the heat do the work. Supplies are easy to manage: blank caps, heat transfer sheets, a basic printer, and optional vinyl for bold logos. Most reliable machines cost between $150 to $300, depending on temperature control and build quality. The workflow is fast: design, print, align, press, cool. Customers include schools, gyms, birthdays, cafes, and new clothing brands. You can test designs instantly and create samples on the spot, making this a simple and flexible way to build consistent sales. If you are finding these ideas useful, take a second to like this video and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and brings more practical business ideas your way. Number 8. Ultrasonic cleaner. An ultrasonic cleaner looks technical until you see it work. It uses tiny vibrations in water to shake dirt out of places hands cannot reach. Jewelry, watches, glasses, tools, and small parts come out looking new without scrubbing. You fill the tank with water, add mild detergent, place the items inside, and press start. Most mid-size units cost just $120 to $200, making this one of the easiest machines to start with. Supplies are minimal: water, gentle detergent, microfiber cloths, and small baskets. The workflow is peaceful: load, wait, rinse, dry. Customers come from everywhere: jewelry owners, salons, mechanics, tattoo studios, optical shops, and repair technicians. The before and after transformation sells itself instantly, and the machine runs quietly in any small room. Number 9. Shoe cleaning machine. Shoes go through a lot. Dust, sweat, rain, mud, and daily wear slowly destroy their look. Most people try cleaning shoes by hand and end up damaging the material. A shoe cleaning machine removes that risk. It uses soft rotating brushes and controlled water flow to clean deep inside seams without stressing the fabric. A built-in warm air system dries the shoes so they are ready to wear. Supplies are minimal: mild detergent, brush attachments, and microfiber cloths. Compact machines usually cost $300 to $700, depending on brush systems and drying power. The workflow is effortless. Load the shoes, choose a mode, press start. Sneaker lovers, gym members, parents, workers, and commuters all need this service. The clear before and after result sells itself and keeps customers coming back. Number 10. Metal engraving machine. Metal engraving sounds complicated, but a metal engraving machine with a diamond tip makes it surprisingly simple. There is no heat, no sparks, and no noise. The machine uses controlled pressure to scratch clean, permanent designs into metal surfaces. This makes it ideal for jewelry, pet tags, watches, keychains, tools, and metal business cards. Your supplies are minimal: metal blanks, polishing cloths, and replacement engraving bits. That is it. Most desktop machines cost between $300 to $600, depending on precision and frame stability. The workflow stays clean and predictable. Secure the item, load the design, engrave, polish. Customers love engraved items because they feel personal without being expensive. Pet owners, couples, small businesses, and creators all need custom metal pieces. This machine fits easily on a desk and creates durable products people are happy to pay for. Number 11. Leather sewing machine. Leather items last a long time, but when they break, most people have no way to fix them. A leather sewing machine solves that problem. Unlike standard machines, it uses a walking foot system that grips the leather from multiple directions, keeping every stitch straight and tight even on thick layers. Supplies stay minimal: leather patches, heavy-duty thread, strong needles, and basic hand tools. Reliable walking foot machines usually cost $350 to $700, depending on motor power and frame strength. The workflow stays controlled: measure, stitch, reinforce, finish. Customers include people with boots, belts, bags, jackets, wallets, and custom leather goods. Many prefer repair over replacement, which creates steady demand. This machine fits easily into a small workspace and delivers professional results without complicated training. Number 12. Wax melting machine. Making candles by hand works at first, until production grows. Wax overheats, cools unevenly, and fragrance burns off. A wax melting machine removes all that guesswork. It keeps wax at a steady, controlled temperature, so every batch melts evenly and pours smoothly. Supplies are straightforward: wax blocks, fragrance oils, dyes, wicks, jars, and labels. Most tabletop melters cost between $180 to $350, depending on tank size and heating power. The workflow feels relaxing: melt, scent, pour, cool. Candles sell year-round for gifts, home decor, relaxation, and holidays. With this machine, production stays consistent and professional, even from a single table or counter, making it perfect for a home-based candle business. Number 13. Lanyard heat press. Lanyards may seem boring, but they are everywhere. Offices, schools, events, hotels, gyms, and conferences use them daily. A lanyard heat press turns this overlooked product into a reliable income stream. You print your design on transfer paper, place it on the ribbon, and lock it under steady heat. The ink bonds into the fibers, so designs stay bright and never peel or fade. Materials are simple: polyester ribbon, transfer paper, a basic printer, and scissors. Most compact machines cost $250 to $500, depending on heat accuracy and plate size. They are small, quiet, and perfect for apartments or small rooms. The workflow is fast: print, align, press, done. Event planners, schools, security teams, and small brands order in bulk, which makes this machine ideal for repeat orders and predictable sales. Number 14. Wire cutting and crimping machine. This machine does not look impressive, but it solves a serious problem. A wire cutting and crimping machine prepares cables quickly and accurately without mistakes. Instead of measuring by hand or redoing bad cuts, the machine measures the wire, cuts it to length, strips the ends, and crimps the connectors in one smooth motion. Your materials stay simple: wire spools, connectors, and small organizing trays. Most compact machines cost $400 to $800, depending on motor strength and automation level. The workflow is fast and repeatable: set the length, feed the wire, press start, done. Customers include electronics repair shops, audio installers, small manufacturers, car modifiers, and DIY builders. For anyone who works with cables regularly, speed and accuracy matter. This machine turns a basic task into a consistent and dependable production service. You have just seen 14 compact machines that turn small spaces into real income setups. Each one solves a simple, everyday problem, and that is exactly why demand stays strong. You do not need a warehouse, staff, or complex systems. Just the right machine, basic supplies, and consistency. If even one of these ideas made you stop and think, that is your sign to take action. Small machines create big opportunities when you start early. If this video gave you value, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone searching for new ways to build income. Your support helps more people see these ideas and allows this channel to keep growing. Thanks for watching, stay focused, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video.